It's too early for this, but certainly not for this. It's Tuesday morning, and it is 7:52 a.m., and we are having a breakfast beer. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Don't skip it. Anyhow, today's breakfast is brought to you by my screen, my new one. And here we are. We're going to test her out. I got the new video cable. So I don't have it hooked up to the PC yet. I have the power plugged into the monitor. Plug it in the outlet. It turns on. We have the same message. So now I'm just going to put that down a second and plug this thing in here. Let's see. This way. Okay, it blanked out and then blipped, and we're back to that. It went into low power mode. It was doing that before. Putting power into the PC. This is where it sat in low power mode. Turn the PC on. Green. There you go. Fucking works. I just restored this thing. I haven't booted it since. Boy, it sure is ugly when it does that. That's not cool. That's probably going to be the one outlasting thing. Wow. Pre-service pack 2. Haven't seen that in years. She's booting up for the first time. Yep, absolutely. Certainly is dimmer at the top, but certainly looks to be serviceable. Yeah. These good old power specs just take fucking forever starting up after a full restore if you actually have recovery media for them still. But anyway, that gives me more time to enjoy my beer. Oh, it's still loading. Oh, this is exciting now. Let's see if we can actually invoke the menu. Oh, yeah. I don't know how it works. The buttons are kind of stiff. Or maybe they don't work at all. Here's an auto button. Oh, it did something. It is adjusting, it just is too quick. Okay, that moves up and down. Well, down anyway. Boy, these buttons are terrible. I'll have to spray them with contact cleaner, I guess. Let's see if we could go into advanced. Oh, we can. Color. That's tough. Okay, well, I'll reseal this. Because I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. Probably going to put in a service pack and get my apps loaded on it and that. I don't think it's supposed to fade white like that, but then again, LCDs were not terribly advanced back in the day, so you never do know. That may have been normal for then, or possibly as the screen ages and other components in the thing wear out. But anyway, I'm going to shut this down, then I got to fucking go to work. So, anyway, there's the video for today. Keep on choo-choo.